Hi, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics, and I've said a lot in my previous videos about vacuum cleaners. One of the things in Brisbane here, we have council throwouts once a year, and it's surprising the number of vacuum cleaners you see on the side of the road to be collected and taken to the dump. Half of the reason I think that is that most people don't look after their vacuum cleaners properly. One of the things that they do is they have in these canister type these canister type vacuum cleaners where they think they can fill it all the way up because they see empty space, they think it can be filled. That's actually not true. If you look here, the max line is here. Now remember, vacuum cleaners rely on air going through the whole machine in order for it to do what it's meant to do. Now, I was using this vacuum cleaner the other day and I noticed that it was not quite had the same suction as what it should have. And here's the reason why. You'll see here, this is one of its filters. It's completely got a whole heap of dirt caught up around it. Now, once you just clear that, then the vacuum cleaner is going to be able to work a lot better. When you empty vacuum cleaners, empty it into a plastic bag first. Do not just empty it directly into the bin, because if you do, every single time someone throws something else into that bin, it's going to get a whole lot of dust up. Now with this particular vacuum cleaner, it's got a filter in here, a sponge filter that I need to wash quite regularly, and it's got a filter back there that needs to be changed every 6 months to a year because I use my vacuum cleaner such a lot. But these are the things that people don't do, and then they wonder why their vacuum cleaner isn't working or it needs to be replaced or it's only lasted a year. Main reason for that is people don't do the basic maintenance, check the filters and things like that. So, you know, I've had this hard-working vacuum cleaner for quite a few years now, and once I clean the filter and empty all that out, it'll be working perfectly and it'll be great again. So, but it does really, really need that regular maintenance. Okay, so look after your vacuum cleaner and it'll keep sucking well for a long time.